Yo guys, so today we're gonna do something a little bit different. I'm actually gonna answer the question I get most on social media. I wanna say 15 to 20 DMs that ask me the same question every week. And that question is, what do I do?
Y bien, me gano la vida haciendo negocios, así que pues fresco, plata o plomo.
It's hard to answer it through the DM, so I wanted to do this YouTube video and explain it thoroughly so then you guys don't have to ask me this question anymore. I am a digital marketer.
System breach.
Oh.
Firewall 1.
We got a problem.
What?
Remote access tool. We're being hacked.
A lot of you guys are probably like, well, what do you do? What is digital marketing? Digital marketing is selling a product or service online through the internet. So social media is one way to do it. What I do specifically is paid advertising. So I'll buy ad space on Facebook, Google, YouTube, Instagram, you name it. And we'll put a commercial right in front of you for a product or service. And from there, if you like it, you go and buy the product. So how does it work? Like, how do you learn it? And I want to go over it because a lot of you guys are beginners in the space. Pretty much digital marketing is pretty easy. It's a marketing funnel. So when I say marketing funnel, when you picture marketing, it looks like a upside down triangle or a funnel. Like when you cook in the kitchen, you have a funnel. It looks like just like that. And you have a lot of people at the top of this funnel who might be interested in your product. And as you kind of lead them through the steps, right? Whether it's through your website, whether it's through your ads, whether it's through, paid content, whatever the case may be, you're narrowing your customers down until you get them to buy. So here they're all kind of just cold traffic, meaning they're people that don't know about your product or it's their first time hearing about your product. So you're showing your product to a lot of people and you progressively show it to them more and more. And the people that are interested will get down to the very bottom and purchase your product. Two is obviously paid advertising. I use Facebook Ads Manager and Google AdWords, which are two platforms that I think are very, very important if you want to make money in digital marketing. They allow you to purchase ad space on either Facebook, Instagram, because Facebook owns Instagram, or Google and YouTube. And these two platforms make it super easy to market to people. They give you tools that make marketing almost like a two-step process. Facebook Pixel and then Google Smart Audiences allow you to really target people that will automatically buy your product. So they do all the work for you, which is essentially little AI that learns about your customer. So you have your marketing funnel, you're getting all these ads to people, you're using your Facebook and Google Pixel, and it's collecting data for you. And as it's collecting data, your ads are getting smarter and they're learning, and they're able to pinpoint your best customers.
Open the pod bay doors, Hal.
I'm sorry, Dave. I'm afraid I can't do that. This mission is too important for me to allow you to jeopardize it. Although you took very thorough precautions in the pod against my hearing you, I could see your lips move.
This is not like the old times when you had to figure out like who wanted to buy it. Facebook and Google will do it for you. You just gotta feed your pixel or your AI some data, and they'll eventually find the perfect audience for you. One big thing also is product market fit. And this means not every single product is gonna sell. You have to find the good products. There's a saying, it goes, you can't polish a turd, and it's 100% true. You have to find a good product that provides value to people, and it fits the market and people wanna buy it. The good product sells itself. And I tell everyone, digital marketing is just finding a product and showing it to the right person. That's all you're doing. You're just a matchmaker for products and people. And then the last thing you guys ask me a lot is, how do I start? I don't know anything about marketing, like how do I get my foot in the door? And honestly, I have 3 pieces of advice for you. One is go and learn as much as you can about it. By watching this video, you're already taking the initiative to go and learn about digital marketing. Obviously, if you follow me on social media, you know I do digital marketing. You're learning from content like this. You can also buy content, you can look for mentors, whatever the case may be. Go out and learn about it. That's step one. If you see a good product and you're wondering why no one's buying it or no one's heard about it, it probably needs marketing. And that's when you find that product, you find a manufacturer, you find someone that makes the product and you build a business out of it. You market it, you test it, you see if people like it. Because once you find a good product, like I said before, it'll sell itself, and you can scale a good product from 0 to 1 million in like 3 months. And the last step is you just gotta get started. Obviously go out, have a good time with it. And if you have any questions, let me know, shoot me a message on social media, and I'll make sure I get back to you. Take care, guys.